What if I told you there's a shopping platform where you can find absolutely anything at prices that seem almost too good to be true? Welcome to Temu, the revolutionary marketplace that's changing how millions shop worldwide. From fashion to electronics, home decor to beauty products, Temu offers over 250 categories with millions of products to choose from. The best part? You don't sacrifice quality for affordability. Every item goes through strict quality control, and customer reviews let you shop with complete confidence. Looking for trendy clothing, latest gadgets, unique gifts, or everyday essentials? Temu has it all under one digital roof. Their user-friendly app makes shopping incredibly easy and convenient. Browse, compare, and purchase with just a few clicks. New users get exclusive welcome offers, while regular shoppers enjoy flash sales, daily deals, and special promotions throughout the year. The link to Temu and an exclusive coupon code are in the description and comments below. Don't miss these incredible savings on quality products. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing deals and shopping tips.